Hi guys, Yolandi here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist. And today we're going to take a look at the patient data submenu on the Elisa ICU ventilator from Loewenstein Medical. Please take note, we are using simulation mode on the vent for this video. This video is for informational purposes only. Your first source of info should always be the basic instructions for use manual that comes with the ventilator. So let's get into it. During ventilation, you can view certain patient data and adjust some of this data. Remember, if you want to change the interface of the patient, you will have to stop ventilation, change the interface, and start ventilation again. When we choose the patient submenu icon, a pop-up window appears, which has an interface tab and a data tab. The interface is illuminated in green, which means this tab is being viewed at present and displays the interface chosen. In this case, the ET tube option has been chosen, and this also reflects on the status bar at the top of the machine. You will note that we have a tube compensation option available when we choose our interface. Tube compensation is there to overcome the resistance to airflow by the thinner artificial airway. This is to make breathing easier for the patient. You can choose the percentage of compensation you want to give the patient. It depends on how awake the patient is. We will discuss tube compensation further in a subsequent video. When we access the Data tab under the Patient submenu, you will see that we can choose the gender of the patient, the height, the age, and the actual weight of the patient. If you would like to, for example, see the mils per kilogram ideal body weight that your patient generates, then you will have to enter the height of the patient. So that was a quick look at the patient submenu on the Elisa ventilator from Loewenstein Medical. Thanks for watching, and I see you soon.